Greetings from Sandeepani Vidyaniketan. Well, as we all know, today the results of the ISC and the ICSE was published by around 3 o'clock, and I would like to share the joy of Sandeepani Vidyaniketan having scored 100% result in both the ICSE and the ISC examinations. So this year, in fact, it was a challenge for the children because they didn't have an opportunity to directly write their examinations. There were several criteria for the examination. You know, when we had to calculate the marks of standard 10, the marks of classes 9 was taken into consideration, and for class 12, the marks of 10 and 11 also was taken into consideration. Probably some children might feel that they have not taken their 10th and 11th examinations very seriously. But still, standing to all this criteria, I think our children have been able to do a very wonderful job. My hearty congratulations goes to all the children and the teachers. May I now read out the names of the details of the results of ISC 2020-21. The number of children who appeared for the examination was 60, and I am very proud to say that all the 60 children got through the examination, of which 90 and above. There were 27 children. There were 59 children who scored 75 and above, and there were 5 candidates who scored full A+. Well, the school topper is Sita V. She belongs to the commerce stream. She scored 99.5% with a total of 398 marks. My hearty congratulations goes to the school topper Sita. Well, the toppers of the various streams, we have the science stream, and the topper of the science stream is Navya C. Ravindran, who scored 391 marks with 97.75%. Again, the commerce stream topper is the school topper herself, Sita. She scored 99.5%, which was 398 marks. And we have Sai Nanda Vinod, who is the topper of the humanities stream. He scored 98.25%. My hearty congratulations once again goes to Sita, Navya and Sai Nanda Vinod. May you all go a very far way, my dear children. Once again, hearty congratulations. Well, I would like to share with you the details of the results of the ICSE. We had a total of 86 candidates who appeared, and again very proud and happy to say that all the 86 have passed the examination, which means we again have 100% result in standard 12 also. And the school topper is Ms. Shweta, who scored 97.2%. I am also happy to share that we have Centum in economics, computer applications, physical education and home science. And when we look into the number of students who scored 90% and above, we have 49 candidates, and out of the 86, the remaining students got distinction. So I am very sure the result for the ICSE also has been very good. And we have the subject toppers, the list of the subject toppers, which shall be sent across to you in detail. So that is about the result for the ICSE and the ISC. Well, this year's tension is over for both the teacher, the students and the school. But again, we do not know how things are going to be next year. So when this year's system is over, I would like to think of or recollect the names of few important people who were running the show. And on that account, I would like to remember Professor Madhavankutti sir, who is no more. But I'm very sure he too will be sharing his joy with us for the wonderful results that we have secured. And as you all know, Mrs. Meera Sundaram was the then principal who was taking care of the things to make our children attempt the board examinations. She was getting the teachers and the children trained, and I'm very sure Mrs. Meera Sundaram was spending a lot of time in taking care of the academics of the school. And at this juncture, I would like to remember Meera ma'am, who has contributed so much towards this success. And as you all know, we now have a new management which is being headed by our Professor Chandrasekharan sir, and under his tenure, I am very sure they have been giving us very good support in terms of anything that we have been asking them for. Thank you very much, sir, for all the support that you have been rendering. And as you all know, we have a director. I always say she is the captain of our ship. And my sincere thanks and gratitude goes to our director Jaya ma'am, who has been counseling the teachers, who has been guiding the teachers, and who has always been with the children to give them good advices and to ensure that when result comes, the whole set of Sandipani family is happy. Thank you, ma'am, for all the guidance that you have been giving. Well, at last but not the least, my sincere congratulations goes to the Vice Principal and the section heads, who have been doing a wonderful job and rendering their complete cooperation in making this academic year a great success. And most importantly, I would once again like to congratulate the parents who have been sole strength for us and a sole piece of motivation, because anything that we were requesting you to do, you were always with us. So thank you all, my dear parents. This success is yours as well. And again, I would once again like to congratulate all my dear teachers and children who have been a part of this great success. And let us hope that Sandipani Vidyaniketan rises to greater heights in results, sports and all the other activities in the years to come. Thank you all very much.